Which of the following statements is true? So let's look at each statement and decide whether it is true or false. If the last digit of a number is 5, then the number is even. Let's trial this out. So numbers who have their last digit as 5 are 15, 25, 35. Are these numbers even? So can they be divided evenly by 2? And the answer is no. So this statement is not true. Looking at statement 2, because we're looking at the statement which is true. We're trying to find the statement which is true. Looking at the next one there, the product, what does product mean? Product means if you multiply two numbers together. So the product of an odd number and an even number is odd. So what they're saying is if you multiply an odd number, let's pick an odd number, let's pick 3, by an even number, let's pick 4, then the answer is odd. So 3 4s are 12. Is this answer odd? No, it's not. The answer is even. Looking at statement number 3, the sum, so sum is different to product. Sum means to add. The sum of two even numbers is odd. So let's think of two even numbers. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 6 is not an odd number. So that statement is not true. The product, again, multiplication of two odd numbers is odd. Let's think of two odd numbers. 3 multiplied by 5. And they're saying that the answer is odd, 15. Okay, so the answer here is odd. Let's try another few odd numbers to see if perhaps we get an even answer, just to make sure that this statement is true. Okay, so far. So let's think of another two odd numbers. 7 multiplied by 9, two odd numbers. 9 7s are 63. And this number is odd. Let's try another one. Let's try 7 multiplied by 11, which is 77. Again, this number is odd. So we can say that this statement is true. But let's have a look at the other statements just in case. Statement 5, a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 4 and 5. Well, if I multiply 4 by 5, I get 20. And I know 20 is divisible by 4 and 20 is divisible by 5. Is it divisible by 6? No, not without having a remainder. So this is untrue. And the last statement, the last digit of a number is 3. If the last digit of a number is 3, then it is a multiple of 3. But if we think of 13, the last digit is 3. Is this a multiple of 3? 3, 9, 12, 15, and no, it's not. So the answer is statement 4. Which of the following statements is true? And it is D, is true, statement 4.